This is my chicken mushroom rice. It's inspired by claypot rice. The combination of smooth and tender chicken with crunchy rice is just heavenly. Let's get into it! We begin by washing the rice 3 times. Soak the rice with measured water directly in the pan for at least half an hour. Cut the chicken thigh into big chunks. Marinate your chicken thigh and stuck mushroom with soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, and ground garlic for at least half an hour. After the flavors have gone into the chicken, we coat the chicken with cornstarch. The cornstarch builds a layer outside of chicken to help keeping chicken tender. Now we are ready to cook. We bring the rice to a boil. Spread the chicken and the mushroom on top of the rice. Turn the fire to a low heat. Cook with a lid for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, you have 2 options. Option 1, turn off the heat, let it sit for 10 minutes. Option 2, which is what we are going to do today, add the sesame oil along the edge of the pan. Let it cook for another 10 minutes until you can hear the sizzling from the pan. It's gonna build a crunchy texture at the bottom of the rice. Our chicken mushroom rice is ready. The chicken thighs are very flavorful and tender. The crunchy rice creates a contrast to this combination. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other cooking videos.